Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the document and locating the highlighted text you want to remove. Select the text, then on the Home tab click Text Highlight Color and choose No Color. This removes the highlight immediately. You can also right-click the selection, look for Remove Highlight, and apply it. Once done, make sure to save or press Ctrl+S. If only a few instances exist, repeat for each. This approach is fast and safe because it only changes highlighting, not other formatting. Now, if you need to clear many highlights, use Replace Ctrl+H. Click More, choose Format right arrow highlight to search for highlighted text. In the Replace box, leave text empty, click Format right arrow highlight again and choose No Color, then replace all. This strips all highlights at once. Alternatively, select a large region and use clear formatting or reapply a neutral style so highlighting drops away. Once finished, skim the document to ensure only highlights were removed, and finish by visually scanning the document and switching views to confirm highlights are gone. Make sure you distinguish highlight from paragraph shading or table cell fill. Those live in borders and shading, not text highlight. If Track Changes is on, accept changes because some highlights are linked to revisions. If a stubborn highlight remains, copy the text to Notepad to strip invisible formatting, paste back into Word, and then reapply necessary styles. That one troubleshooting step usually clears persistent highlight artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.